Your plan may not work the first time, but don't just give up. Go back and look at those steps again. Happy New Year. In Isaiah 43:18-19, it says, "Remember not the former things, nor consider the things of old. Behold, I am doing a new thing. Now it springs forth. Do you not perceive it? I will make a way in the wilderness and rivers in the desert." I like that verse for New Year's because one of the questions that I always ask myself at the beginning of a year is, what is one thing that has to happen this year for me to be happy with my progress? I encourage you to ask that question. What is that one thing that would make a difference? If it's something that you have thought about year after year after year, but have never done something about it, then the question you want to ask yourself is, what's the worst thing that would happen if I didn't do it? Is it something that really needs to be done? But if it needs to be done and you feel like God is calling you to do it, then this is the year to do it. And you can use our 5-step productive environment process to say, state your vision. What would doing that look like? What would it feel like? What would you be able to do or feel or have that you don't have now? Make it come alive. What is that new thing? And then 2 is identify your obstacles. What's preventing you from doing it? What have you tried in the past? Number 3 then is to commit your resources. Certainly one of your resources is God. It tells us in Scripture we do not have because we do not ask. When we ask Him, He will help us. He will guide us. And then step 4 is design and execute a plan. In order to reach that vision, overcoming the obstacles with the resources you have, what is your plan? Make a plan and write it down. And share it with someone else. Research shows we're 67% more likely to accomplish a goal if we have an accountability partner. And then step 5 is sustain your success. Your plan may not work the first time, but don't just give up. Go back and look at those steps again. Rethink that vision. Look for new resources. Ask for help. PEI is here to help you. All you have to do is ask. We have all kinds of resources. Some of them are free, some of them are online and virtual, and some of them are in person. Whatever it is that you need. But in order to make this year your best year ever, what has to happen? Be clear about your vision and ask God to help you. Happy New Year.